Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get the face cam on Roblox. So this is a new feature that is in the limelight now, and everyone is talking about this feature. So if you want to get this feature on your Roblox account, then just follow me in this video. So first of all guys, to get the first face cam on the Roblox, you have to enable the voice chat on your Roblox. So if you haven't enabled the voice chat on your Roblox, then you can't get this option or that get these features without. And if you don't know how to enable the voice chat, it's a very simple step. You need one ID, one voter ID, or one any government issued ID, and with a face photo, and and also you also have to upload your selfie as well while verifying your self to get the voice chat on your Roblox account. Enable or to get the voice chat and the face cam, you just need to go to roblox.com, and now you have to go to settings, and once you're here, you can follow the same process on mobile as well. Go to setting on your phone, and once you're here guys, now you just need to get the voice chat. First of all, you have to verify your age from here, so you can choose your date of birth from here, and once you get select the date of birth, and then you just need to click on verify my age, and it will take you to this page where you have to prepare with the valid ID. Also you need a smartphone. But of course you have a smartphone, that's why you are that's how you can enable the voice chat. So after this guys, to enable and to get this voice chat, you need to use your phone and click on the verification, and it will take you to the browser where you need to enable your camera and take a photo, and take a photo of your valid ID and upload it here. And also you need to upload your selfie as well. Make sure your selfie must be very visible. So once you upload these things, your voice chat will be enabled, and once the voice chat enables, so the face cam comes with the voice chat option. So in the privacy you will get the option here, fine, somewhere here. So I didn't get yet the voice chat because I don't want to upload my valid ID, and there's some reason I can't do that, but you just need to upload your valid ID, and once you enable the voice chat, you will get the face cam as well. So that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Hope you understood. Thanks for watching.